수리수리 마수리. Hello guys, it's Cindy. Today I'm drawing ABC fruits. Let's draw and paint them together. First, I'm drawing the letter A for the apple. And let's draw the apple here. Shh, it's sleeping now. Look, the apple opened its eyes. Now, I'm drawing the letter B for the bananas. Let's draw the bananas. And I'm drawing the letter C for the cherries. Let's draw the cherries. Eating fruits is so good for your body. 수리수리 마수리 따다! Let's paint! Yellow A. Apple Do you guys love to eat fruits? I like eating fruits. Brown Green Red A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Purple B. Banana Brown Yellow Blue C. Cherry Brown Green Red Yellow Learning the ABC is such a fun time while drawing and coloring. See you on next video!